lovies, how are you, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jordana, and if not, then thank you for coming back and taking the time to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. On today's video, I'm going to start a series. I know I have a few series going right now, and this is going to be either the how-to series or the makeup for dummies series. So vote down below what name you want this series to be, because the makeup for dummies sounds like a beautiful name and it's so cute, and I used to love reading the something for dummies kinds of books. So if you like that idea, please let me know in the comments below, because I want the name to be just different. Without further ado, this is a how to I apply my foundation. I'm gonna stick to just one subject at a time on these videos. So whatever subject you want me to touch next, leave it in the comments down below. So this is how I apply my foundation and nothing else. I'm not gonna say anything else, just my tips and tricks on how to apply it, and that's gonna be the entire concept of the series. So if you wanna see how I apply my foundation, then just keep on watching. Okay, so definitely the most important thing is to start with a clean face. For me, that's either washing my face while in the shower with something like the Purity Cleanser by Philosophy, or just if I'm doing my makeup later, I will grab Bioderma with cotton pads and clean my face. Then skincare is the most important step of anything. Even if you're not gonna do makeup, you can't skip this step. What I do is I take a toner, a moisturizer for my face, a moisturizer for my eyes, an SPF, or an SPF that doubles as a moisturizer. And sometimes I take serums in the daytime too. Remember to pick everything: skincare, primers, foundations, according to your skin type. That's one of the most important tips that I can give you. Not everything works for everybody. So now I'm showing you here different types of primers. There are bronzing primers, pore filling primers, hydrating primers, illuminating primers. There are a lot of primers, color correcting primers. So you have to choose one depending on what you need on your face. Sometimes I'm a little bit extra and I choose about 2 or 3 primers just on one day. But if I'm honest, the primer that I can't live without, it's always a pore minimizing primer. And my favorites, you guys know, are the Professional and the Dr. Brandt Pores No More. If you want me to touch base on any of the subjects that I just mentioned, either cleaning your face, skincare, or primers, and we can do another chapter of this series on those subjects, but now we're going to foundation. So like I said, choose your foundation according to your skin type. But foundations, we have liquid foundations, cream foundations, BB creams, CC creams, light coverage foundations, medium coverage, high coverage, buildable coverage. So you have to choose and pick what you like. There are cream foundations, squeezy tube foundations, ones with a pump, stick form foundations. So you have to choose. There are foundations with SPF, there are foundations without it, there are foundations that are basically perfect for pictures and foundations that are not perfect for pictures. There are foundations that have a strong scent or perfume, and there are foundations that are scentless, and those are better if you have sensitive skin. Also, don't forget that foundation is not meant to look like a mask on your face. Foundation was just made to make your skin look even, the same color, not to cover everything and make you look like you're not a person. If you're left with imperfections showing, that's what concealer is for and correctors are for. So foundation is not meant to be caked up and cover every single thing on your face. And the best foundations are the ones that mimic actual skin. It's all about personal preference, but you can have a foundation that's for events, medium to full coverage, and a daily type of foundation, which is the BB Cream by Arborian, which gives you a light to non-coverage at all, but it just evens out your skin enough for you to be just happy with your skin and then cover the rest with concealer. And we can use different tools for this. So I have a set of brushes here that I can use for foundations, but brushes are not my favorite, and if I had to choose one, it would be the Kabuki F80 by Sigma, but I prefer the Beauty Blender, or you can actually use your fingers, which is now a preferred way of mine. So I've been testing a sample of the NARS Longwear foundation, the latest one that they came up with, and I'm applying it with my fingers. So what I do here is I don't waste any product and I work it with the warmth of my fingers. So I'm gonna do this in half of my face, and then I will blend it with a beauty blender to just pick up the excess. But when you're using your fingers, a little goes a long way. And then using a beauty blender will help me just remove the excess foundation that I put. But look at me, I'm just tapping the beauty blender. I'm never swiping it. If you swipe it, you will move your foundation. You can never drag, you just have to tap. And also remember that the beauty blender, if you're gonna use one, is always damp. You have to squeeze it before you apply your foundation, and the only place that you're gonna drag is on your neck, because you're just grabbing the excess foundation that's left on your beauty blender and just dragging it on your neck so that it has the same texture as your face and the same color also. Tapping the foundation into your skin also helps your foundation stay put throughout the day, because when you're working it into your skin and setting it right and just pressuring the foundation into your skin, the longevity of the foundation will be double than if you're just extra gentle with your beauty blender. You have to have intention while doing your makeup. You can't just do it super lightly or super harsh. Remember to go close to your hairline. You don't want to leave sort of a middle mask in the perimeters of your face. You have to cover them too. Remember to go through your neck. Remember to put your upper lip down. That way you can go into the crevices of the nose. And remember that the pointy side of the beauty blender, you can use it for your under eye, and the fat side or the booty of the beauty blender, you can use it for the rest of your face. Also, the excess that's remaining on your sponge, you can use it to cover your ears. Not that you're gonna put more foundation on your beauty blender for your ears, just what's left on the sponge, because that will help you if you're gonna take pictures and you're gonna pull your hair back. And always, always, always match your face to your neck and not the other way around. It's easier to match your face to your neck than matching your entire body to your face. Okay, lovies, so that's my entire video on how I apply my foundation, my tips and tricks. That's everything I needed to say. I hope you guys enjoy, and please don't forget to vote about the name of the series. Also, let me know what you want to see next on this series, or if you want to see any other type of video on my channel. I will be sure to make it for you. I will be sure to film it. I will be sure to post it. I never forget. I always write everything down. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Instagram is basically the only one that I post anything, and everything that I post on Instagram I share on Facebook. That's it. And also hit the notification bell, because YouTube is not telling anyone when I film. And you guys need to get the notifications if you wanna not miss any of my videos. And that's it, guys. I hope to see you back soon. Love you. Bye.